Thank you for clicking on this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing my own recipe on how to make assorted meat pepper soup. Yes, I have a video on how to make goat meat pepper soup, which is a similar recipe, but without wasting time, let's get right into the video. First, I'm going to cut the meat into smaller pieces and then wash it thoroughly. Yes, you need to wash this very well. After that, I'll be roasting some spices. I'm done roasting it. I just roast it for about 30 seconds to a minute because I don't want it to get burnt. And I had to take out the shell of the calabash nutmeg and I'll blend everything together. I also blended some onions and some fresh pepper that I'll be using to cook my pepper soup. I'm not really a big fan of pepper, so I use a really small amount. So it's time for me to add water. I rinsed my blender and then I added some more water. Now I'll be adding my own pepper soup spice. This spice mix smells so good. Okay, our pepper soup is ready. I'll be adding the scent leaf. You don't need to like slice it. You can just use your hand to cut it into smaller pieces. Cook it for about a minute and that's it. That's it guys, our pepper soup is ready. I decided to add some plantain. Thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to support me. See you all in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay beautiful.